Hello everyone, welcome to this video. If you are searching for a Nakamura NTRX post-processor, a Mastercam mill-turn post-processor, or a 5-axis mill-turn post-processor for FANUC controller, then this video is exactly for you. In this video, I will explain everything you need to know about the Nakamura NTRX 5-axis mill-turn post-processor for Mastercam, including axis configuration, machine capability, post-processor features, and how you can get the correct post-processor for your exact machine setup. The Nakamura NTRX uses a FANUC CNC controller, which is widely trusted for mill-turn and multi-axis machining. This machine has a complex and powerful axis configuration, including X-axis, linear turning and milling movement, Y-axis, off-center milling and drilling, Z-axis, longitudinal turning movement, B-axis, tilting milling head for 5-axis machining, C-axis, main spindle, rotary axis for mill-turn operations, C2-axis, sub-spindle, rotary axis for secondary spindle operations, supported axes, XYZ B C C2. This post-processor is designed specifically for machine name, Nakamura NTRX, controller, FANUC, CAM software, Mastercam, machine type, 5-axis mill-turn, axis configuration, XYZ B C C2. It generates clean, safe, and production-ready FANUC G code, suitable for real shop floor machining. This post-processor integrates seamlessly with Mastercam mill-turn workflows. You can create turning toolpaths, add milling operations, program 5-axis toolpaths, synchronize main and sub-spindles, post-correct FANUC programs. Everything is handled directly inside Mastercam. If you are looking to download or get the Nakamura NTRX post-processor for FANUC, you can contact us using the details in the video. We provide verified and tested post-processors, correct machine configuration, installation guidance, basic testing support. We do not provide random or untested files. If you need this post-processor, feel free to contact us. And if you are working with any other CNC machine, you can reach out as well. We have a large collection of Mastercam post-processors, including Nakamura machines, FANUC machines, Siemens machines, Heidenhain machines, Haas, Doosan, and Okuma machines. Our collection supports mill, lathe, mill turn, wire EDM, router machines. We provide post-processors according to your exact machine and controller requirements. To summarize, this is a professional Mastercam 5-axis mill-turn post-processor for the Nakamura NTRX, designed for FANUC control, supporting X, Y, Z, B, C main, and C2 sub-spindle axes, and suitable for high-precision production machining. Thank you for watching this video. If this video helped you understand Nakamura NTRX FANUC mill-turn post-processors, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. If you need this post-processor or any other Mastercam post-processor, you can contact us directly. All contact details are available in the video. Thanks again for watching, and see you in the next video.